What is going on, Castro Valley Vibe? It's Robert Pace. We're at the Castro Valley Marketplace. If you guys have not been here, you need to come down now. There's so many amazing places to come check out. We're gonna go talk to Jonathan at the Deli Tomato and see what soup they have for today. Jonathan, thank you so much for your time.
Of course.
Can you please share with the audience what soups you guys have?
So today we have a roasted tomato soup. We have George's Special, which is one of our cook's very own lines.
Nice.
We have a really nice roasted potato and leek soup. And we're also featuring a beef stew as well. And we use only natural and organic ingredients. Soups are made daily. We make our own broth in-house. Okay. And we also feature a couple other things that we make on the daily as far as hot food bar, made-to-order salads, grab-and-go sandwiches, and we also have a very elaborate cheese section.
This place is amazing, guys. If you haven't been here, you need to come down to Tomato in the Castro Valley Marketplace. Jonathan, we're loving your Castro Valley vibe.
Thank you.
Thank you for everything you guys are doing in our community, providing healthy and wonderful food. And come on down and check these guys out soon.
Please do. Thank you.